What's up, people? G-Man here. Quick little video. I know I haven't been on in a while, but it's so busy, so busy. Anyway, it's a little more PENTASTAR action. This is in ProMaster. Alright guys, if you have a misfire 246, which is bank 2 right here, do a leak down test. You'll notice that you have at least 30 to 40% leakage for the exhaust on one of these cylinders, 246. It's always a burnt valve seat, always. Just like if it comes in with a misfire on 135, 95% of the time it's gonna be an ignition coil. All right, people. I'm not doing a how-to video because it would be a long video, just showing you some PENTASTAR action. ProMaster 3.6. All right, guys. Any questions? Hit me up. Like, comment. G-Man out.